I am. You only get one chance. If you miss your
that's
chance.
not fair. You named
No, listen.
How old are you?
You only get one chance. Listen, here's the question. I am 24 years older than you. How old am I? I am 26 years older than you. How old am I? And I am 28 years older than you. How old am I?
50-100.
Hold on. Dad, what are you saying for us?
I am 24 years older than you. How old am I?
Wait, it's your birthday. That makes sense. It's 25.
When we had you,
You got to listen.
when we had you, I was 24.
That means 26.
How old am I now?
29.
You just guess.
Daddy
You out. You only get
You
one
just
chance.
guessing.
I'm saving my gas.
I was 24 years older than you when I had you. When you was born, I was 24 years old.
That girl said
you out.
40.
I think I
Yes,
got
I'm just talking about.
Daddy,
No,
just
that's
No, I didn't
That's the one
even
that got-
say
you get one
nothing. That wasn't my question.
No. Why did you guess?
No,
No,
that
not-
wasn't my
not-
question. I would talk about like what number.
No, you
I
trying
keep
to.
forgetting.
Daddy, you are 20. No, Dad, we go to. Dad, you.
All right, we're gonna do this again. 400 Roblox. Here we go.
You should say 4.
I am 24 years older than you. How old am I?
Think about how old you are, and he said,
Don't break it down.
What the
They're supposed
world?
to be able to break it down.
Wait, give us a number.
Now almost happened.
What's the word?
Nope.
I don't know, Lauren. I don't
I
know.
ain't gonna give you no.
You could whisper it in my ear. I don't know.
Can we do it again?
I am 20.
Is
I am
you saying the
26
word?
years older than you. How old am I?
That means 27. 32.
Yep, that's it. You lost. You
What?
lost.
I am saying.
And you, what? What's your
I
answer?
say my answer.
What's your answer?
400.
Nope.
I said
What?
400.
Nope, that's it. No Roblox for nobody. All of you on the weakest link.
No, give us an easy
It was real easy.
question.
That was.
That was
You wasn't thinking about it. You wasn't thinking
It's
about it.
25. Could you say
Yeah,
it?
that
I
was
already
so.
said it.
You were so wrong.
Like,
I said it.
No,
Daddy,
you
I
did. He
just
said
25.
he said he was
Listen,
24 years old when he
Yes.
had you.
Listen again.
Now how old is he now? How old are you?
Daddy, I just
How old are
said
y'all?
25.
Y'all twins. So how old are y'all?
I just said 28.
You 11, right? And if he was 24 when he had y'all, how old is he now? No.
40? 25.
You are guessing, Jay. You got to choose that family over here looking at you guessing.
What? How old
You ain't even doing the math. You gotta do the
She's
math.
not.
It has a second number to do
How old
Oh.
was Daddy when they got born with them?
24.
So
25.
11 more?
Yeah.
I need the paper.
I knew.
Ooh, my baby on it though. She on it, y'all. Y'all take your time real quick, cause Lauren about to be on it. She just asked me a question and she was correct.
are you 52?
What?
Was that close?
No.
Listen.
It is 43.
How old are you?
Yeah, no, Rob, cause Lauren about to get it.
You 11.
That is cheating.
Lauren about to get it, cause Lauren asked me an important question just now. She was close.
How about me?
Do your work, Lauren. Let's see what Lauren get.
24.
You ain't nowhere near close. You guessing, Jay. You guessing.
Okay, how old is he when they got
He said he was 24, Lauren.
Go ahead, do the math.
Yep. Lauren about to get that.
She got the line. Oh my
She getting that 24. And how old are your sisters, Lauren? And how old are your sisters? So what's the answer?
She did the math yet.
Do the math. If your daddy been 24,
So it's 211.
I ain't telling you.
211.
60.
What the world?
60.
said he was 24 when he had them. He was 24.
What's next?
And how old are y'all?
You guys, you get it? You get it, Lauren?
Hazy,
37?
Hazy,
I
you
just
been trying. That's not it. What you mean? You count wrong.
34?
Yes. 34.
I got it.
You was on it, Lauren. What you
I
asking
got
me now? You was 1 second too late,
Wait,
Lauren.
I got it.
Yeah. But look, let me tell y'all something. Let me tell y'all something. I'm gonna play it back when y'all watch this vlog. Lauren was on it. She said it. It just took her time because she's in kindergarten, first grade. Lauren was on it. She said, if daddy is 24 and my sisters is 11, is it adding, mama? Let me go get my pencil and paper and add it all up together.
That's the wrong answer anyway.
No, it's not.
You
You
said 34.
said.
Oh, you still got time. Y'all, that's my bad. Even I got it wrong. My bad. I thought it was 34, so okay. We still in the game. Calculate. My bad, y'all. So I was wrong. Let me put my lens off. Hold on.
I can't do it! My head exploded! Like, alright.
I was close. Okay, my bad. So I was wrong, y'all. I thought I had the answer right, but I was wrong. Okay. So why does it look like a smudge in my camera, y'all? Hold on.
But what the
Sorry, y'all. I'm cleaning up my camera, y'all. Hold on.
Hey, I don't get close.
Sorry, man. I really did thought because you had me fooled for a second.
I think my head exploded now.
But all that I just said though, I definitely think y'all should know that answer by now.
In my first grade, get there.
I definitely think y'all should know that answer by now.
Is it
If daddy was
60?
If daddy was 20,
60?
listen.
You're breaking it down too much.
Yeah, I'm breaking it down a little too much now.
35?
Yeah!
It's close. You wasn't close.
You're not here because I said 35. I said 34. I said 35.
The only thing I ain't giving her nothing.
First grader, huh?
Y'all, Lauren, hold on. Let me turn the light down. Hold on.
I don't get no
Look, y'all, she did her calculation.
400
Her teacher-
robots
her
goes
teacher-
to the first grader.
Her teacher teaching her well. Her teacher is teaching her
Yeah.
well. She said, listen,
35.
them twins is sour right now because y'all supposed to be the first one to
I
get it.
said
She
35.
said 24. If daddy was 24 and y'all are 11 years old now, why?
11 more to 24.
And got 35. Duh, come on.
God to
Really? Y'all let a first grader?
Right there.
Y'all,
Honor roll.
what? Come on. Y'all let a first grader outdo y'all? What? Are y'all serious?
I just said 34.
Comment down below, y'all, if y'all think that was an epic challenge, y'all. But we're about to go ahead and end the vlog for the day. Y'all, they sour. They sour now, y'all. They sour now.
I already said 35 and y'all said no.
Y'all, now they would know a lady never tells her
Yes, I
age.
did.
That one lesson I'm gonna teach y'all, a lady never tells her age. But anyway, y'all, that was a good challenge for today. Make sure y'all stay tuned because on every Friday, we're starting every Friday we're gonna be doing a family challenge. So make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe if y'all not subscribed yet because it's gonna be lit over here. The twins are sour right now. They leaving. They sour. But congratulations to my first grader. She got it. She about to get her 400 Roblox. Hayes over there in the cut. Don't know why she didn't participate.
She took the time and went to go get a paper
And
and a
still.
pencil.
I already said
And
35.
she put the problem together in her head. She said, hey, if he was 24 when we were born, I know they're 11 now. Let me
Just
go
add
ahead.
11 more. How much would that be?
Talking. I said 35.
I just forgot something.
Y'all can't even hear
You calculated 10 instead of calculating your age.
I was counting in my head.
Yeah, you calculated 10, but you 11. You're not 10. But anyway, y'all, we're out of here. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe. And make sure y'all share us out because we lit over here and we growing. But until next time, y'all, we out of here. Peace. What's up, QZAT family, and welcome back to the channel. Y'all listen, today is Saturday, and it is definitely a chill day for me. I haven't had a free Saturday since the beginning of December, and I'm going to take advantage of this Saturday. Y'all, I was supposed to stay in bed, watch TV all day, and be productive on my phone, but hubby thought different, y'all. So I got up, take a bath, got up, and now I'm on my way to the grocery store. I'm not going to pick up too much because I really don't even feel like going to the grocery store. He wants some cheeseburgers and some fries, so I'm going to go pick up some lunch. So we're not going to buy it this time because we're trying to save some money. All this fast food that we were doing for the last month. So I'm about to go to Walmart. I'm about to go get some burgers and some fries and something to drink. And Rob's gonna cook today. I'm chilling. I ain't doing nothing. I'm coming back. I'm gonna get productive, get on my website, go ahead and tidy that up for 2025. And Lord's will, that's gonna be it for today. I don't know why I'm tired, but the girl is tired. But it's all good though. I'm going to bring y'all along with me to Walmart, pick up these burgers, and we're gonna bring it back and let Rob cook it. Let go. Mama said if you need to talk, take the camera to me.
No, this is my jacket.
My jacket.
No, that's my jacket.
And you got my
No,
jacket.
you got my jacket. No.
Look. This thing is extra big.
No.
See, it's not supposed to.
So guys, Laurie pulling my jacket because she think it's hers and it's my jacket. See? This is my jacket. Well, you Court.
Produce. That door right there?
Because it's my jacket. Because I'm telling her that's my jacket. She put
It's
my
not her jacket. That is mine. Yo, look at this thing. It's so big.
No, look at mine. See? My feet good. Here we go. Look, you never saw this? And you never saw.
Oh, this is my jacket because I have made a little mess of it.
See, guys, she over here play. Oh, she playing it. That is her jacket, but this is my jacket.
But he just kept going back and forth with it. So, that's you. Oh, he just kept going back and forth. Where you at? You already know, because you in Walmart. So, and you know what time you get off. So, you already know how that goes. You already know. I know, right? Are you going to bed when you get home? Nope. Yes. Oh, you are? Oh, okay. We'll see. Oh, you do? Oh, okay. Okay. And you get up and eat later, go on here at the house? No, I eat something at the house. Oh, okay.
Lauren, come here.
That sounds good. Lord have mercy.
Let's play Truth or Dare.
No.
Yes. Truth or Dare.
We're getting this.
We are not getting that, guys. She did it. But we are not getting that.
Yeah, we're getting these.
We are not getting
We
that
always
either.
really love onion rings.
No, you do not. You do not love onion rings. Okay, Truth or Dare. Truth or Dare.
True.
Is it true that you fall in the water and you came back up and never asked that you did it? Do me.
Truth or dare.
Hold the camera.
Truth or dare.
Dare.
Okay. I dare you. Wait, put true. I want to show you something.
No.
Okay,
Dare.
I dare you to ask Mama, can you get me some candy?
Mama. Mama. Mommy. Guys, wait, she's talking to someone. Next one. Truth or dare?
There.
I dare you to do a cartwheel. A little baby one, not a long one, baby. You're not even doing that. Do it real, girl. Come on. Okay, another one. Truth or dare?
Okay, Ricky, I want to show you.
Huh?
Is it true that when we was at the water park, you had dived into the deep water, you had open your eyes?
Yes, I was on a floaty,
Like
what
a
called
long ride.
a floaty, and I sat on it, and my grandma did tell me the right one. She said, "You gonna flip over," and I said, I'm not," and I had to flip over. I opened my eyes, and this a long time ago, we was at Myrtle Beach. I went down a slide. I went in the water. She opened my eyes, and I started screaming because it was burning a little bit. It was kind of fun.
Yeah, I almost died there.
Yeah, I almost flipped over.
I almost died in that water. I didn't even know I was gonna drown. I had to drown.
No, that was me drowning.
No, I had to keep jumping up. So then the boy had put the thing in the water, and then I get to climb out there. I said,
No, yeah, that was me. That was me drowning.
She can't swim. Hazel! Hazel! Sir! Oh, there she goes. There she goes. Sir! There she goes. Well, no, don't laugh at her. Go to daddy. Go to daddy.
Truth or dare?
There.
I dare you to do a cartwheel. A little baby one, not a long one, baby. You're not even doing that. Do it real, girl. Come on. So, guys, we get in the water.
That storm may come.
Huh?
We get the water before everybody else get it. Woo. Walmart smart because they know that storm coming. And because that storm coming,
What storm we having?
it might snow.
When is snowing?
It might snow next week. Come on. Y'all, when I say Walmart is packed down, let me get this little claustrophobic parking lot. Y'all, when I say Walmart is packed down, oh my goodness. I mean, I know we got a freeze storm coming, a freeze effect, a freeze, or whatever freeze we got coming. But y'all, Walmart is ridiculous packed. Listen, I had to tell Hazel to put the camera up. Cause my mind started playing tricks on me, and when my anxiety flare up, I need to get every distraction out my way. Y'all, I had to get up out that store. I went straight to electronics to check out. Y'all, when I say every piece of cash register is packed down in there, y'all, I had to get out there real quick. I couldn't do it. My anxiety started flaring up, and they was already getting on my nerve a little bit, and then I couldn't find everything I had need to find.
And guys,
I had to get out there still. Alright, y'all, so we stopped at Dollar Tree. So I forgot about the cheese and some paper plates. But we had to do another pit stop. Your girl had to stop and get some McDonald's. Even though we cooking cheeseburger and stuff at the house. But I had need a little slack because I had felt my energy low. And I couldn't do all that stuff without me having something in my system, because I know how my body is. So I had to get something to eat very quick. So right now we in Dollar Tree eating a little snack from McDonald's. And then I'm going to Dollar Tree and get some plates, and hopefully they got some cheese. If not, I'm going to have to go all the way to Dollar Tree and get the cheese, because I would not be going back in Walmart today. I will not.
Okay, guys, we get to see my dad make the hamburgers.
Have you seen a blue bowl with oatmeal?
See, guys, he didn't start it, but
Daddy, have you seen
he
a
started
blue
a
bowl
little
with
bit.
oatmeal in it? Daddy, have you seen a blue bowl with oatmeal in it?
So that's where he making burgers.
Oatmeal in it. Now,
So we're gonna place it down.
I need a bigger pan.
Daddy, Mama, Daddy need a bigger pan.
This ain't gonna work. Watch out.
This ain't gonna work.
oh, so stove on?
Yeah, it on. Not the stove, the oven.
Oh. Oh.
Still can feel the heat.
So I'm gonna put it right here. So
That one right there, that's the one hot. That's the one that has heat. But this and that don't have heat. But that one that has heat.
so he gonna make his burgers.
And how about you try it?
No, I finna burn my head when I did at grandma's house.
I never saw you burn your hands at grandma's house.
You burn your hand?
Well, I have
Put
burned
your
my
hands where you ain't supposed to be.
I have burned my hand at this place from touching that
Yeah, then stop touching
when
it.
it was on.
What's up, QZat family, and welcome back to the channel. Y'all, listen, it is another day. Y'all, when I got home, I did not pick the camera back up. I think Hazel had the camera, and then Lon had the camera, and that was it. Y'all, Raw was in the kitchen cooking some hamburgers and fries, and I did not pick up. I told y'all when I came home I was going to go to bed, and that is exactly what I did. I went to bed. But y'all, it is Sunday morning. Rob should be actually on his way back from church. Me and the kids, it's like 12 o'clock and we just getting up. I must be was wore out. I lied to y'all now. I must be was wore out. But I'm up now trying to get things together. School is this week. Not tomorrow. School. Our kids don't go back to school till Tuesday. So I'm just, prepping everything. Make sure they got their book bags, pencils, clothes, shoes, everything. Store. So when Tuesday get here, it can be a smooth process, y'all. But y'all, hold on. Is my shirt on the wrong side? I'm tripping. I am not, I'm tripping. I'm not a morning person, y'all. I done put my shirt on the wrong side. Give me a second. Back, and the shirt is now on the right side. And Rob just got home and he brought food that I definitely did not eat. I definitely did not cook. I did not cook anything, but as y'all don't see him, but y'all hear him. He right there. He just got home, so he brought us some Bojangles. As y'all can see, he brought us some Bojangles. So I'm about to go ahead and fix everybody's food, and it's time to eat. Let's go.
Do you have bread?
Since Jazz is the first one, you want rice?
I can bread. Yeah, bread.
Which bread? Sweet bread or regular bread? We got sweet and regular.
Two.
If you get half and one whole. And a piece of chicken. Do you want rice?
Bojangles got the offer.
Yeah, I see that.
I should have got some more rice.
You should, but I sure ain't about to shout my rice.
I should have got more rice. I got 2 things of mac and cheese.
Oh.
Oh, I know how to get rice because nobody eats it.
I do eat it. I the only one who eat it.
Nothing but me and you. Nobody
Hazel
else.
eat it? Yeah, Hazel. Yeah, Hazel. Put the
Is that grits? I want grits.
Where you see grits at? That's macaroni. That's mashed potato. Do you want some?
I remember when you left my life.
Right there. The back of it broke.
I get my favorite chip.
Get 6 of them things.
Madison and Lauren.
What? Lord, that's mine.
Don't bring. Well.
This was supposed to be for Dad.
Really?
Everybody get their little computer.
True, Daddy.
Ain't one.
You sure? No jazz, G. No jazzy.
Lauren, come over here.
The stick of my jazzy.
No.
Jazzy.
Yeah, I don't want that up.
The jazzy.
And I don't want to do that.
Yeah.
Say police.
Then move your chair.
Would you move your chair over in the middle of the darn table?
Move your chair. Jay, move it in the middle. What's mine? You remember mine?
Please get us a chair and sit down and eat.
Come and eat.
And there you have it, y'all. This is our Sunday dinner from Bojangles. Dirty rice, macaroni and cheese, Burberry biscuit, fried chicken. Rob got the coleslaw. Rob got the mashed potato. I don't eat their coleslaw because I don't like it. I don't eat their mashed potato because nobody can top Popeye's mashed potato. But here's Sunday dinner, everyone. You almost done?
Yeah.
You still got meat and everything.
Hazel's gonna eat dirty rice.
That's what it's called, dirty rice. It's called dirty rice because it got meat and vegetables and everything.
I thought they called it dirty rice because they put dirt in it.
Oh my Lord.
No, ma'am, that's not why they call it dirty rice. It's because it's rice mixed up with meat and everything else. Happy Sunday dinner.
Yeah.